You know, sometimes indecision can be an awful thing. I thought Airgun Shooter wasn't as, shall we say, net friendly as the new name I just came up with of Airgun Fan for my videos about air rifles and air rifle shooting and whatever have you. So I got to thinking about the name of one of the 3 Facebook airgun groups I came up with. I called Airgun Sports Afield. Well, we all know what that sounds like, and yes, it's my homage to Sports Afield and the shooting editor from my day, John Jobson. A little too literal. I said, nah, I gotta go further than that. So I came up with this video here, and I want to know what you guys think, called Airguns Afield. As soon as I get me a car, we're going to go afield. I can go to the state-run ranges. Unfortunately, to find one that's 50 yards instead of 100, I got to drive 2 hours in any given direction. I'll have to just see what I can scrounge up as close as I can get, where I can go shoot my air rifles to sight them in and try the different pellets I've chronographed here at the range at, say, 10, 25, and 50 yards, stuff like that. It's not easy to find. It's surprisingly difficult to find around here. Air gunners are few and far between, even though there's so many of us online, you know, because we're scattered all over the globe. So anyway, guys, let me know in the comments below what you think of the new name, and if you got an idea for a better one, what that might be. So I'm thinking of changing Airgun Fan to Airguns Afield. AA, you know. I could even come up with some kind of a die-cut decal for that. That might be kind of cool. So, good Lord willing, the creeks don't rise. We'll see you again.